Happy 4th of July, everybody. I hope everyone's having a great day or had a great weekend. We're gonna hang out with some friends, celebrate the 4th of July, celebrate independence with everyone. We're gonna have a good time. And then also later tonight, there's gonna be a fireworks show. Paige is coming into town with her boyfriend, and we're gonna have a good, fabulous day. I hope you're enjoying the vlogs. Just in case, I don't know if you noticed or not, but I've been doing vlogs every Tuesday. So make sure you hit that subscribe button and give us a like and comment below. It helps the channel out. Appreciate that. And let's have a good time. Happy 4th of July. I'm fucking recording all the time. All right, Paul, you ready, bro?
I'm ready.
Off the sweet ass shorts.
I'm ready.
You're gonna be ready.
I'm gonna be all right?
Yeah, dude, it's fine. Everyone does it.
Okay.
This is your slide, so you should know, right?
What if I need a TT?
You just go in the pool like everyone else.
Okay. All right.
All right.
Here I go.
All right, be careful.
As you said.
Bye. Look, so many people in L-Town. And Paige is finally here. About time we see Paige on the 4th of July.
Hi.
Hey. What's up, G-Bunny? What's going on? Hanging in.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah.
Hi, Dad.
Don't talk to your mom tonight.
Shut your mouth. Oh, yes.
Y'all sold out or what?
Yeah, we sold out.
Hey, how are you?
Not too bad.
Good. Yeah.
Good job. Cover quick. Good job.
What's up,
I guess we're sold out. The club of Lytle, Texas bike ride.
In the flesh, in the flesh.
In the flesh. That's it, man. All right, let it rock. Coors Light and a IPA?
Oh, certainly, sir. Let me go get that for you.
Okay. So you're doing a good job.
What the Oh my god.
Hey, dude, how many drinks you need? 3. I know it's 4th of July and everything, but for the love of God. Getting drunk, son. You working out?
Okay. Hot dogs.
You like hot dogs?
Does you ever